is what you'll need to make my delicious chocolate orange cake. Some oranges, or in my case satsumas because they were on offer. Some chocolate, eggs, self-raising flour, baking powder, caster sugar, butter, cocoa powder, double cream, hazelnut spread and some orange jelly. First thing we're going to do, get the butter softened up in the microwave. Go in with your sugar and then get them all mixed together until they're nice and creamy. Next we're going to get some zest off your oranges after you've given them a good wash, of course. So it's into the butter and sugar mix with your zest. And then next you're going to juice your oranges and go in with the orange juice. With your orange juice and zest in, it's now time to go in with 3 eggs. And then it's time to get them all mixed together. With those all mixed up so they look like something like scrambled eggs, you're going in with your dry ingredients. So into there with your flour, baking powder and cocoa powder, and we're going to sift it in to get some air into it. And then it's time to put your electric mixer away and get yourself a spatula and get those mixed in until they all come together. When you've got your mixture together, something like that, it's time to get out your cake tin. With your cake tin, just give it a good rub round with some butter. Then cut yourself a little template to the bottom, stick that to the butter, and then it's in with the cake mixture. You're going to put this in the oven at 160 for around 30 minutes. Keep testing it with a wooden cocktail stick. Once that comes out clean, then you know that it's done. When it comes out of the oven, and let it cool down a bit, and your sticks come out clean, time to just go around the edges with a knife just to loosen it up. Then get a rack or whatever you can, turn it over, tap the bottom to help it drop. There it goes. Lift that off. And that. Take your greaseproof paper off. Then put that to one side, and you're going to use your cake tin again for the jelly. Into a measuring jug, break your jelly pieces up, and then go in with your boiling water. Give that a stir around. Let your jelly dissolve. While your jelly's dissolving, you're going to get your cake tin and you're going to put into there some cling film. Squash it round so it fits all the sides, but don't worry, the jelly liquid will find its own level. When your jelly's melted into the hot water, time to pour it into your jelly mould with the cling film, and then that's going in the fridge until it sets. When your cake's cooled down a little, you're going to cut it in half. Use a serrated blade. Don't try and go through it all at once. Just keep going round it bit by bit until you go through it all.
Now,
take the top bit off.
Yeah.
And you're left with the bottom bit. With your cake cutting off, next thing I'm going to do, concentrate on the fillings. Now your hazelnut spread as you can see, lovely like that, but it's a bit thick for the cake, and if you try and spread it on there, it drags the cake. So what we're going to do is stick it in the microwave for 30 seconds. With your spread nicely softened in the micro, it's time to pour it onto your cake. Spread it round and then leave that for a bit just to solidify again. And your chocolate's stiffened up a bit, it's time to get your orange jelly out of the fridge. Push the bottom up of your cake mould, tuck the paper down, keep the cake mould bottom there, makes it handier to flip it over. Then you're going to have to use your judgment and flip. Take that off, take your cling film. See there? It's come away a bit. So instead of trying to juggle it, just put that away. And slip it onto the bit that's missing. Then it's time for your cream. So it's on with the cream, whisk it up until it's nice and firm. When your cream's nicely whisked up, time to get the bottom half of your cake. And you're going to put some of the cream in there so you've got a nice creamy filling as well as chocolate and jelly. Put some of your cream in the middle. Time to get your top back on and then go on with the rest of the cream onto the top. Once your cream's on, to finish off the cake, just to let everyone know that it's orange flavoured, I like to go with some of the chopped up oranges.